Anything from motorhomes to quad axle dump trucks to over the road tractors. Now we have had quite a few actual new trucks, like that one right there, in which we are getting set up for customers, doing PDIs, adding different functionality switches for them and stuff. It's a large range, anything from full codes to mechanical rear ends, having to replace complete rear ends in trucks.
So CSM Companies in Wisconsin Kenworth have actually really good incentive programs, especially for technicians. So not only do we have a matching 401k, which not a lot of places offer anymore, but we have tool incentives that a lot of places don't offer. So we get $150 a quarter for a tool reimbursement. We get $125 once a year for an air tool reimbursement. We get $125 for work boots once a year. There's also incentives if you have prescription safety glasses. They pay a portion of those as well. We have medical, we have dental. And then there's also a $5,000 loan that you can take out. It comes out of your check before taxes that you can use for tools or a toolbox. So if you're starting out and you need tools, we all know tools are expensive. CSM helps to alleviate some of that cost to the technicians when they come in.
They're definitely a good group of guys to work with.
I love the people I work with, and if you ever need anything, they're always there. They're just like family. Have an open mind. Just be ready to pay your dues. You're gonna start small and work big. We have to figure out what you can do first before you start going into those bigger engine jobs. Apply now, we're hiring.